Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about trust with a Virgo man. Virgo men are trustworthy and reliable and loyal. When they make a commitment, they mean every word. They prefer long-term relationships. So they would never cheat on their partner, abandon them out of the blue. If there is a problem in the relationship, they are going to bring it up. They are straightforward, so they won't hold back. Whatever is bothering them, they will let you know where they stand and if anything has changed. And however, in fall of with love, with a Virgo, you have to remember uh, there are overthinkers. If they sense there are problem in the relationship, they are going to analyze it. They might assume you are going to leave them today, even though you told them you loved them yesterday. You need to keep open communication with them, so don't spiral. Make sure they know how you are feeling at times. Okay, I'm clear. Good. Don't hesitate to research, assure with them they are still wanted. And understanding a Virgo man, that a Virgo man speaking, make sure you listen. They have the talent. Every word that comes out of from her mouth is the truth. So all you need to do is pay attention. They work their butts up with their careers and relationship and want to recognize for it. They don't need a grand romantic gestures in order to happy. All they want is attention and affection. A Virgo woman needs to know what her hard work is paying off. She doesn't want to be ignored, neglected, or disrespected. If you if you make her feel bad about herself, then the relationship will be over soon. Coming to Virgo man likes and dislikes. Virgo women are homebodies. Although they are social butterflies, they are happiest when they are their own. They could spend the entire day clearing, cooking, and they would be happy. Virgo women don't need to live an exciting, spontaneous life. They aren't an impulsive sign. This is why Virgo compatibility with the fire signs like Aries is low. They like having consistency and routine. Make sure uh, spur of the movement discussion isn't something they are capable of doing. That's why they hate last minute plans. So Virgo men can stand clutter. They when they see a mess, they need is cleaning up. Being around disorganized people sets up their need to fix everything. They won't be able to see a problem without bringing up ways to solve it. Although they can, this can annoy some people. It's in their nature. All Virgos want is take care of everyone. They are hoping to make the world a better place, one place at a time. They will help in the whatever way they can. So coming to the behavior, how it will be the behavior. See, Virgo man come across an intimidating at first because they are so critical and judgmental. However, deep down, Virgos are kind, caring, and supportive. They will do anything to help their friends and family. Virgo men will encourage their loved ones to chase after their dreams. They will push others to become their possible selves, whether they are male or female. Virgos will get frustrated when others are acting illogically. They think through every situation before making decision. Or so more impulse signs get on their nerves. They don't understand how their people can act so careless. However, they can get along with anyone as long as they are given respect. They will return the favor. They are much nicer than anyone gives them credit of. So, this is about for Virgo, and thank you so much. I need a subscription from you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.